Are you following me? If I go close, are you going to focus? No. I've done this before, I swear. Hey guys, it's Candace, the Edgy Veg, and today I am going to show you how you can top your hot dogs in 10 different creative ways. All right guys, summer is slowly rolling on to a close. I know it's very pessimistic of me, but I wore a jean jacket today. So you kind of just have to embrace fact. Just because summer's coming to a close doesn't mean that we're not going to stop barbecuing anytime soon. So I wanted to share with you some fun ways to top your hot dogs. I mean, ketchup and mustard are great. I'm a ketchup girl myself. But there are so many fun and interesting ways that you can top a hot dog, almost like bringing it up to a higher level. I mean, yes, we've got our sauerkraut and we have our onions, but there are so many other exciting ways. And I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. All right, hot dog number one, I like to call this guy street corn because of the influence that I got from street corn to create this one. So we are going to add some lime mayo, some fire roasted corn, cilantro, and then you can add your choice of chili flakes or chili powder. Hot dog number two is French onion. Ha ha ha. That was really lame. And it's called French onion because I use my French onion dip. If you want the recipe for that, I will post it somewhere up here, as well as the link in the description box below, along with the recipes for today's video. And then some diced red onions, some crushed potatoes chips that belong to the potato, and that's it. Hot dog number three is called the Italian Stallion, but if I'm honest with myself, it's about as Italian as an Olive Garden. So do with that information what you will. Delicious nonetheless. On this guy, we are going to add some vegan parm of your choice, some delicious marinara, some sauteed mushrooms, and I'm gonna put that under the broiler just until the cheese melts. Careful not to burn the bun. It's like an eggplant parm, except with a vegan hot dog in the middle. Wiener number four is the jalapeno popper. I took inspiration from, yes, a jalapeno popper. So on this guy, we are going to slather some vegan cream cheese. I like tofu. You can use whatever brand you want. If you make your own, even better. Then we are going to top that with some pickled jalapenos, as well as some toasted panko breadcrumbs. And that's it. Hi, I'm still here. I just moved to a different part of my kitchen because the sun came out and I don't have any curtains yet. Yay, new house. I keep calling it my house. It's a condo. It's a condo. All right, hot dog number five is called nachos. So on this big guy, we are going to put some nacho cheese sauce. The recipe for that, I'll leave a link in the description box below. It's also in my cookbook if you want the updated version. We're gonna top that with some sliced jalapenos, cilantro, and some crushed tortilla chips. Hot dog number six is pad thai. We are going to toss that with some Asian slaw. Toss it with Asian slaw. We're not tossing this hot dog with any slaw. The slaw will already be tossed and we're gonna put it on the hot dog. As well as peanut sauce and of course, crushed peanuts. Hot dog number seven, I call the Hawaiian. It is topped with some barbecue sauce. Then we're gonna top that with some grilled pineapple. You can do this right on your barbecue. You can also do it in the oven if you do not have a barbecue. And some onions. Eating this guy is gonna taste like a vacation. If your vacation consists of barbecue sauce and pineapple with a touch of onion. Hot dog number eight, I call the buffalo dog. This guy is getting topped with a vegan ranch. I have a recipe that I will leave in the description box below, or if you have your own recipe or store-bought works too, you can do that. As well as Frank's Red Hot. Then we are going to top that with some celery and call it a day. This one's a messy one. We're getting super close. We're at number 9. I can count. I watched Sesame Street as a kid. Okay. Hot dog number 9, I like to call the banh mi because it has some of my favorite banh mi toppings. Some of them, not all of them. You can only build these things so high, guys. So this guy is casually topped. Casually, yes. No long-term relationship for this hot dog. Let's try that again. This guy is topped with some delicious kimchi. You can add as little or as much as you'd like. I like a lot. I love my fermented foods. We're going to top that with a vegan mayo and then of course some green onion. And last but not least, we have hot dog number 10. This guy I named after a Reuben. I called it the Reuben. And that's because of the use of Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and caramelized onions. Delicious. It's a classic flavor combination. All right, there you have it, guys. My 10 exciting, creative hot dog toppings. Let me know in the comment section below which one you are looking forward to eating the most. If you guys have any wacky hot dog topping flavor combinations, I'd love to know what they are. You can also leave those in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that bell notification 2 times just to make sure that you get notified when I have a new video coming out. As of this week, I'm starting to release weekly videos again now that I'm settled and organized, ready to go. So I'm super, super pumped to see more of your smiling faces. If you guys want to keep up with what I'm doing online, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the handles in the description box below and on the screen here. I have a personal account and the business account. They've got their own weird thing going on between the 2 accounts. But yeah, I'd love to see more of you guys, and I will talk to you next week. Bye!